Hello everyone and welcome back to the Helgeek Arena, and today we are starting off with a new series of videos on what are graphs and how to traverse them. Now in this series of videos, first of all we are going to cover up what actually graphs are, some of the concepts related to graphs, and then we are going to move into some of the traversal techniques related to graph, and then we are going to talk about a bunch of problems related to the traversal techniques. Now, a lot of concepts that I've covered up in this series of videos have been taken from a book called Introduction to Algorithms by CLRS. Now, this is a very nice book, so I would highly recommend you to buy this. I have added a link of buying this book in the description below, so please do buy it. So let's start off by introducing the graphs, like what actually the graphs are. So graph is basically a non-linear data structure that consists of nodes and the edges connecting them. So if you see over here, the data structures are broadly classified into two parts, that is non-linear and linear. Now linear data structures consist of things like which are contiguous, right, and they connect between previous nodes, current node and the next node. So these kind of data structures include things like let's say arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues. These are all contiguous, right? Then the other set of data structures are non-linear, which are not kind of contiguous, right? So graph is also a non-contiguous and a non-linear data structure. Now the other part of the definition talks about the two components, the two primary components which a graph consists of, that is nodes and edges. Now let's try to understand what are nodes and edges. So what you see over here is basically a representation of a graph. So in this, if you see u, v, w, x and y are the nodes. Basically these are the vertices of the graphs, and what you see over here from a to h, basically these are the edges of the graph, that is a, b, c, d and all. So these are edges of the graph. So edges are basically the arcs that are connecting the nodes, right? So this is how the set of nodes and set of edges kind of represent a graph. So let's try to understand another concept related to graph, which is directed and undirected graph. So basically if you see over here, this first diagram represents a directed graph wherein all the edges that you see over here are kind of directing from one of the nodes to the other node. So they are not like bidirectional, that is they do not have a direction from u to v as well as a direction from v to u. They are all unidirectional, that is they are pointing from one node towards the other node. So you can go from u to v, but you cannot come back from v to u. So that's why they are called directed edges. And a particular graph which has all the edges as directed edges is called a directed graph. Now similarly, if you see the second diagram over here, the edges do not have a direction with them. That is, if you want to if there is an edge between u and v, then you can traverse both, that is from u to v and from v to u. So basically this is called an undirected graph, where the edges do not have a particular direction in them. So the one of the possible ways to represent an undirected edge could be, just for an understanding purposes, like you can put up an edge from u to v as well as an edge from v to u. So you can traverse like u from u to v also and v to u also. So this kind of an edge is called an undirected edge, or and the graph which is having all the edges as undirected is called an undirected graph. Now let's try to understand another concept related to graph, which is the degree of a node. Now degree of a node is basically the number of nodes that it is directly connected to. So if you see the case of an undirected graph like this one, so if you see the node u, right, so it is connected to two nodes, that basically three nodes, v, x and w. So you can say that the degree of nodes for u is basically 3. Then similarly you can say for v is also connected to u, w, x and y. Hence the degree of v is basically 4. Now if you see y is connected to v and x, so degree is 2. X is connected to w, u, v and y, so the degree is basically 4. And similarly for w, it is connected to v, u and x, so the degree of w is 3. So this is how we define the degree of a node in case of a undirected graph. Now let's take a look at the degree of a node in case of a directed graph. So degree of nodes are of two types in case of a directed graph. So One type is basically the in degree, and the second type is basically the out degree. Now what do we mean by this is, in degree is the number of edges that are pointing towards that node, whereas the out degree of a node is basically the number of edges that are coming out from that node, right? So if we talk about U, there are 3 edges that are coming out from U, right? So there is an edge pointing from U to V, there is an edge pointing from U to X, there is an edge pointing from U to W. So but if you see on the other hand, there is no edge that is pointing towards U, right? So the number of edges that are pointing towards U represents its in degree, and the number of edges pointing out from U represents its out degree. So the in degree of U is 0, but the out degree of U is basically 3, because there are 3 edges pointing out from U, right? Similarly, if we look at V, there are like 2 edges that are pointing towards V, one starting from U and the other starting from W. So we can say that the in degree of V is 2. Now if you look at the out degree of V, there are 2 edges coming out from V, one towards X and the other one towards Y, right? So this is also 2. So both in degree and out degree of V are 2. Now if we look at Y, there is no edge coming out from Y, but there are 2 edges pointing towards Y, right? So there the out degree, the in degree of Y is 2 and the out degree is 0. Similarly, if we look at X, you know, there are like 3 edges that are pointing towards X, right? But there's only one edge pointing out of X. So the in degree is 3 and out degree is 1. And if we look at W, there is one edge coming towards W and there are 2 edges pointing out from W, right? So the in degree is 1 and the out degree is 2. So this is how we can represent the degree of nodes in case of directed and undirected graph. So that's all we have for today. Stay tuned to the channel for many more videos that are coming up on graphs. So thanks for watching the videos. Please do subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.